Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. XRP bulls to target $0.3900 or face a slide to sub -$0.3800 on Fed fear. XRP found early support this morning. However, following a bearish Saturday, Fed fear and uncertainty about the SEC Ripple case remain headwinds. On Saturday, XRP fell by 0.61%, marking the third loss from 4 sessions. A lack of SEC versus Ripple news left XRP on the back foot as investor focus turned to Tuesday's US CPI report in the Fed. The technical indicators turned bearish, with XRP below the 50-day EMA, signaling a possible return to 35 cents. On Saturday, XRP fell by 0.61%. Following a 1.41% loss on Friday, XRP ended the day at $0.38650. Notably, XRP fell short of 39 cents for the first time in 17 sessions. A bearish morning saw XRP fall to a mid-morning low of $0.38557. Steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at $0.3841, XRP rose to a late afternoon high of $0.38905. However, coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3943, XRP slid back to sub -$0.3860 before ending the day at $0.38650. Fed fear and SEC versus Ripple uncertainty leaves XRP at sub -39 cents. It was a quiet Saturday session. Following Friday's U.S. wholesale inflation numbers, uncertainty toward Wednesday's FOMC interest rate decision and economic projections left XRP in a tight range. On Tuesday, the U.S. CPI report will likely dictate the Fed's next move, with the markets betting on a Fed pivot. However, an unexpected spike in U.S. inflation could force the Fed to deliver another 75 basis point rate hike that would send XRP and the broader crypto market into the red. Increased uncertainty about the outcome of the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case added to the bearish mood. Investor optimism has subsided since the collapse of FTX. The markets now await the court ruling on the summary judgment reply briefs, which could have far-reaching implications for the broader crypto market. Today, a lack of updates from the SEC versus Ripple case will likely leave XRP in the hands of the broader crypto market and the Nasdaq Mini. XRP price action at the time of writing, XRP was up 0.48% to $0.38834. A mixed start to the day saw XRP fall to an early low of $0.38635 before rising to a high of $0.38857. The first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3885 capped the upside. Technical indicators XRP needs to avoid the $0.3870 pivot to retarget the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.3885 and the Saturday high of $0.38905. A return to $0.3890 would signal a bullish session. In the case of an extended rally, the bulls would take a run at the second major resistance level, R2, at $0.3905. A return to 39 cents would bring the third major resistance level, R3, at $0.3940 into play. A fall through the pivot would give the bears a run at the first major support level, S1, at $0.3850. However, barring an extended sell-off, XRP should avoid sub -38 cents. The second major support level, S2, at $0.3836 and the third major support level, S3, at $0.3801 should limit the downside. The EMAs in the 4-hourly candlestick chart, below, sent a bearish signal. At the time of writing, XRP sat below the 50-day EMA, currently at $0.38870. The 50-day EMA slipped back from the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA easing back from the 200-day EMA. The signals were bearish. A move through the 50-day, $0.38870, and R1, $0.3885, would give the bulls a run at the 100-day EMA, $0.38991, and R2, $0.3905. However, failure to move through the 50-day, $0.38870, would bring S1, $0.3850, into play. The legal battle, which is expected to have massive implications for the cryptocurrency sector, started back in December 2020. The SEC lawsuit delivered a massive blow to the price of the XRP cryptocurrency, with many US exchanges rushing to suspend trading. Ripple sees promise in carbon credit and gaming NFTs despite market downturn. While Ripple CTO David Schwartz says he still gets most excited about payments, he's also got his eye on carbon credits and gaming NFTs. There are people paying people to do stupid things. You have to be smart about it, Schwartz said, commenting about dispersing funds from Ripple's $250 million creator fund. While Ripple Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz says he still gets most excited about payments, he's also got his eye on carbon credits and gaming NFTs. We're really excited about carbon credits, he said in a November 29 interview in Miami after speaking at the Decentral conference. I think just because the fit seems to be really good. There's a real problem in the carbon credit space right now of provenance and making sure that things aren't issued, like there aren't two sets of carbon credits. Gaming, meanwhile, is another area ripe for development. As Schwartz said, non-fungible tokens can help studios more easily bring users along to their newest products. There are real problems in the gaming space that NFTs solve, he said, noting that gamers tend to get comfortable in older games and can be hesitant to follow developers into newer products. You have to start over from scratch, and there's this feeling of loss. If you could take NFTs with you, then you wouldn't have that feeling of loss, and you'd be more likely to migrate to the game that the game studio wants you on. Creator fund Ripple doesn't currently build consumer applications directly, but it looks for partners that can leverage the XRP ledger for its low cost and high-speed capabilities. It also has a $250 million creator fund that Schwartz said is being deployed carefully after some initial hesitancy. If I give you enough money, you'll do something that makes no sense at all, right? He said. There's no reason for you to jump up and down and cluck like a chicken, and if I give you $1,000 you might do it and I might say, look, this is a real use case. This is a real solution. And actually, what's happening is I'm paying you to do something. Ripple went ahead with its own fund in an attempt to promote the development of realistic projects in ecosystems that make sense, Schwartz said, adding that Ripple usually requires developers to first raise outside cash and build a minimum viable product before Ripple creator funds are dispersed. There are people paying people to do stupid things, Schwartz said. And so if you want to get people to build projects that are going to be successful and steer them away from locking themselves into blockchains that have high fees and low throughput, or locking themselves into issuing a token that makes no sense for their project, money has to be part. You have to be smart about it. You have to be really careful that you're not creating the illusion of success and progress. The three things that went wrong for FTX according to Ripple CTO believes FTX's collapse was due to incompetence and fraud. But blockchain firm Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, weighed in on Sam Bankman-Fried's sympathizers but also went on to detail what went wrong with the company. Ripple's CTO's take on FTX collapse. The exec listed out three things that went horribly wrong. The crypto developer has previously engaged in similar confrontations with members of the XRP community and even Ripple representatives. Hoskinson is one of the 5 original co-founders of Ethereum, which is considered the main beneficiary of XRP's legal troubles. The Cardano creator once again stated that all the talk about the U.S. Securities Commission being controlled by Ethereum and being bribed to start going after Ripple and XRP are conspiracy theories, and this has never happened. These rumors have their roots in the conclusion of the former SEC head William Hinman that ETH is a cryptocurrency and not a security because of its high degree of decentralization. It was later revealed that at the same time, Hinman's law firm received $1.6 million from the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.